Yeah! Today I'm gonna show you how to join your broken pieces for your Kintsugi project. The first thing you have to do when restoring a ceramic piece is to clean it. We usually use small cotton pieces soaked in alcohol. So you have to clean it, the inside part and the outside part also. Be careful to not go over the fracture because we don't want them filled with cotton hair because they won't join well. You have to look at which pieces you have to put together first in order to avoid that the next one doesn't fit. For that, using the masking tape to do your tests and number the pieces in order to make the work easier while gluing. Now, what I'm seeing here is that probably the best way to glue this ball is to glue these two parts before and then to glue this part to the other big one, because I'm afraid that if I glue this part as the last one, it wouldn't fit. Now that I know the order, let's number the pieces. Now that we know the order, let's take the masking tape off and separate the pieces. So we are going to use the two-part epoxy resin, and it's really important to mix the glue very well, and the amount should be equal measures. If it's not, our pieces can come off. Put your gloves on as we are going to use a very strong glue. Then put a small amount of glue in the disposable plate, and it's really important to mix the glue very well and put a little chip of gold dust powder like this. The exact amount is not important here. Now mix very well with a spatula for 20 seconds. But do not take too long because in 10 minutes the glue will be completely hard. When the two components of the glue and the gold dust powder are very well mixed, with a spatula apply the glue on the fracture of your first broken piece. Taking care to put the same amount everywhere and be careful to not stain around. And you have to be careful just to put the glue on the parts that you are going to join. And be careful not touching the wet glue with your fingers. Now you have to stay still for 10 minutes until you see that the glue on the plate is completely hard. Only when the first two pieces are already glued can you then go on to glue the next pieces. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and if you want to learn more about me and my process, check out my online course at Domestika.